You probably seen me doing some dumb shit in my reels up till now, Maybe trying stuff out, experimenting here and there, etc. etc. But not anymore. Let's take this back a few years ago. I was 15. He was just a tiny abandoned puppy that I found outside in my neighborhood of Chembur, Chiku. But I lost him when I turned 20 because I trusted the food that I gave him. And guess what poisoned him? The food. And well, ads are expensive. I don't have investors. I also don't have a team. Just this mission and this mic. Now, before my co founder left, which I've told that in another video, he told me something smart. If people are not buying online, try offline. So I said, why not? And you know what sucked the most? One moment you're holding them, and the next moment they're just gone. Yeah, just like that. Not even a warning, not a goodbye. It's actually, I have now realized that it's the guilt of not knowing what was inside the food at that time. Set my camera up, my mount. Excuse me, is that your cat? Oh, who do you feed her, by the way? We have actually started a pet food company and we are giving out trials for customers to try it for free. We mind trying it completely for free. Barks and Whiskers. It's completely for free. We just want to see if customers are liking it or not. If your cat likes it, well then okay. Okay, I'll just... Excuse me, is that your cat? We had actually a pet food company and we are trying out a trials for customers to try it for free. So free pet food. Would you accept it? What is that? Barks and Whiskers. Yeah, it's completely home cooked meal. Okay, I'll just need your number. Excuse me. Do you have a dog? Oh, actually आप क्या उनको खिलाते हो कैट को? रोल खिलाते। हाँ, हम लोग एक्चुअली एक पेट फूड कंपनी है, हम लोग ट्रायल्स रोल आउट कर रहे हैं कस्टमर्स के लिए। नो प्रॉब्लम, थैंक यू। Never feel bad for rejection people, never. Yeah, actually 1 out of 3 people were saying no. And okay, I get it. They are actually cat owners, not dog owners, but still, pets are pets. And again, they don't know me, I don't know them. Obviously, they're not just gonna trust anyone coming to them and telling them that, hey, you should try this, just like that. But again, I wasn't even there to sell. I mean, nah. You know what? I've got that much of integrity. I'm there because no one else told me. No one else told me. So I know how it kind of feels like sometimes. Excuse me, which breed is this, by the way? Huh? Which breed is this, by the way? Excuse me, ये आपकी कैट है? क्या कौन सा ब्रीड है ये? Oh my god. Oh, I see. What do you feed her though? अब क्या खिलाते हो उसको? ऐसा? We are actually में एक pet food company and we are giving out trials for customer to try it for free. आप try करोगे? Oh, आपका खाली नंबर लगेगा मुझे. I'll deliver to you. We are here at this point and ये आंटी लोगों ने एक्चुअल में एक ये बेचारे कैट को रेस्क्यू, बड़े बेचारे का जॉ दिखाओ ना, वो कैट दिखाओ ना, बेचारे का जॉ टूट गया है। Oh my god. Everyone, please chip in.
We are feeders, we are rescuers. We have put in all our funds for animals and our life is free for animals.
Okay.
The humble request, if you can just save this kid. She's Mrs. Neena Saini and Seema Rawal. I'm on Facebook. You can see my work on that also. Save this kid. Please.
We are actually going to raise funds, guys. ये है मेरी लिंक, यहाँ पे प्लीज आप दे दो तो ये हॉस्पिटल को चले जाएगा.
We don't want cash. Please directly pay to doctor.
Oh, okay. The money doesn't go to them or me either. It goes to the hospital that will do the surgery. Yeah, and this is the sorry, and this is the link right here. Please chip in, guys. It will be a really great help for everyone. We are all doing God's work, and this poor kitten will be saved at least. Please, people, please. It's a humble request from all three of us. All right? We'll save this kitten.
Thank you.
As someone, भाई जिसका एक्सीडेंट हुआ है पैर में, you know, I really felt that pain for that poor thing. भाई सच्ची में. अब I won't ask for like much, but यार 10 रुपया भी donate कर दो. Guys, this will be enough. Okay? I'm broke too, guys, but I'll do my best to raise the money. यार, cost around 30,000 rupees for the surgery. We'll do it. All right, हो जाएगा. चलो, bye लोग. Even if it's just one person a day, and even though, you know, dude, I kept failing and failing and failing, still I'll do this, because never again. This was just day one, by the way. Part 2 will drop next week again.